Imagine an all-inclusive vacation where you get all you can eat, drink, pools, beaches, and day tours. Plus, you get more in this all-inclusive vacation. You get to meet West Indians from all parts of the world and enjoy a duck cooking competition. Then at night, join the all-white private party with Tassa, DJs, and the Rani Miss Rasika. On Sunday, you get to unwind at a beach day. You can experience this all-inclusive vacation with cooking competition in Puerto Plata, DR on August 6th to August 10th. Call Travelspan Amrals in New York at 212-243-0865, in Trinidad 665-3383, in Guyana 227-1735, and in Canada 647-557-6200.